Like that. Good job, Melly. That's right. Yeah, nasty, huh?
Just like you do it.
What's in there? Is it clean? Bang it together. I can't explain that. Well, it does go that way, but not it all. It's a puzzle. It's not a pen. Not a pen. No. 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 I'll take that one back. Here. You want this one? Okay. It's a push rod. Yeah, but you don't write with it. Hang tight. Just work with me here. Look. See how we fold it? Like this. Look. I'm gonna show you one at a time. One at a time. Doctor. Doctor. Next you'll be pointing guns at me. Okay, so you hold the barrel. See this? Push it in there. Yeah. Yeah, and push it in. Clean it. Yep. Pull. 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 You pull. No, you pull. No, you pull. Pull it out. I'm gonna push it in. Yep. Pull.
I don't think she has the strength in her hands to grip it.
Yeah, let's try this. Now you pull. There you go. Clean? Here, look at it. Is it clean? Hey, Ella, is it clean? Okay. Okay. Can you do it now? Like that? Yep. Then you fix it. Or pull. 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 That's right. Good. I should take this picture to guys at work. Like, any monkey can clean a gun. You guys, though, are special. You can't put it all together. That's a different time. Okay, yes. There you go. Put it back in. Like brushing your teeth with it. Yes. That's right. Good. Okay. Oh, itch. Sorry. Then, what? There's nothing else in there. All right. So let's look. Let's make sure we're good. Can you see? Think. That's how she does it. What? It's dirty? That don't go in there. It's very impressive. 12 years of having this gun, I did not know that fit in there. Good job. What? It's not. It's this one. It doesn't work that way. What I tell them at work, I'm like, what's wrong with your gun, Harder? Monkey broke it. Let's just clean this out so we can be done, okay? Clean, huh? Say this one here. This one to get the gritty out of it. I gotta see past your fingers. I can't see past your fingers. My turn. Still can't see. Your teamwork is horrible. Your mind's in the right place, but your help is just not there. I'll handle this.